So the other lovely... Welcome, ladies. Another segment of Lousje and Bean behind the scene. Oh my goodness, I am feeling so excited about many things. First of all, this dress, I think it is fabulous. It's exquisite. It makes such a statement, and it's so classy, and the fabric feels like velvet on it. It's unbelievable. It's from the new line we got in from Greece, Ozai N Ku. And one piece is more beautiful than the other one. So today I picked my favorite piece from the line, and when I came back from the Netherlands, it came in, and of course Tessa had first pick already, which was, I was a little sad about that, but I was just blown away with all the beautiful pieces and the amazing fabric. Great designers, great designers. So I'm wearing it with the Lousje and Bean leggings that just came in. They've got a little mesh heart ankle piece, which gives it a little bit of a jazzmatache. As you know, ladies, we like that. And this is what I wanted to tell you. We celebrated Thanksgiving yesterday. I always like to dress up when the dinner comes, and I thought today I perused the boutique for my favorite outfit from this line, and I thought this would be a beautiful dress to wear Thanksgiving, Christmas, and all festivities. But also I would wear it during the day. I would change my shoes. I would wear maybe clunky boots. You could even put running shoes on, like a nice black pair. And it will change the whole look, right? The jewelry would be different. I'm wearing beautiful jewelry we got in from Siska, absolutely exquisite too. And I picked these white little danglies and this beautiful bracelet. It's I think it's very classy. The other thing I'm excited about is that Charlie got a haircut, and feels very much better. He acts like he's a young buckaroo. He runs around and he's full of energy. So, and many people said they like him a lot better like this because he's got very expressive eyes, and now you can see his eyes. He had a heavy day yesterday because we had 16 people for dinner and 8 grandchildren that, play with him. So he's quite exhausted today. Anyway, that is my excitement that I wanted to tell you. Lovelies, this is a top from that same line from Greece, Ozai N Ku. It's very difficult to pronounce. Anyway, as you can see, it's the same design, and it's a little flared, a cute little top. I love this top. A little bit more about the design. So the dress is just longer, that's the only difference, and the dress has pockets. But what is really unique too is they use this amazing knit fabric that feels like $1 million on. And this is a crushed taffeta. The whole white design on it is, and the black here too, is crushed taffeta. And then the shoulder is dropped, and the neckline, I love this neckline. It's quite nice. It's off the neckline, and it's got quite a bit of room, so you just let it fall. And it's nice too for a scarf. You can still wear a scarf and feel very, very funky. Anyway, I also have very nice pants on from that same line. It's a taffeta pant. And I'm wearing, by the way, I'm wearing an extra small. I wore an extra small in the dress. I'm wearing an extra small in the taffeta pant. And it's, the pant has a cuff. I cuffed it one more because, as you know, I like to see a little bit of skin there. And the pockets are really nice. They are quite functional, and they stand off a little. It has an elastic waist, fits quite high, which I like, and very comfortable. Very nice fabric. It's a crushed taffeta, and it feels very soft on the skin. Roomy enough to still wear a pair of leggings in the winter. So I just it up with earrings from Siska and a ring from Siska with a pop of red in it, because today I'm going out on the town with a nice backpack from Karen Kuna, our friend Karen that we've known from the One of a Kind show. Her and her husband make a beautiful leather in Toronto. One of the items that we carry in the boutique is her very classy backpack. And it fits quite a few things. And it's so stylish. That's what I like about it. And it fits nice on the shoulders too, because not every backpack is like that. But it's very comfy on, and you will, it's not just a backpack. Okay, ladies, I hope you like this segment and you're all excited about this new line, as excited as I am. And keep on smiling.